Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this 2-pack of CPAP face mask wipes. So this is to clean your this is to clean your CPAP face mask. They get dirty every night, so I use one of these after a night's use of my CPAP machine. And I found that this brand is pretty good with the cleaning wipes. I like this brand. They're like pretty moist wipes, clean the face mask pretty good, but they're not like other ones I think are a little dry. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh, excuse me. Allergies. Yeah, other ones are too wet or too dry and I feel like they don't clean that well, but this brand I've had good luck with. So I use one of these every night. Oh, they're kind of stuck together. What's up with that? Okay, there we go. We have freed them. I'll open up one of them. That's what it looks like. 75 unscented wipes. Never tried scented wipes before. But I will drop a link in the video description on where you can buy these from. And let me know what you think of these in the comment section. Alright, see, so I do like how it's sealed like this. It has a foil seal. It is nice. Sealed for your protection. Yep, then you just take one of these out. Through here. Then it's a nice little pull tab. Yeah, cool. Hope you're all doing well. Keep using your CPAP. Hope you're all getting a good sleep. And I will catch you all for the next unboxing video. Later.